They walk on four legs, but don't be fooled. These beasts were born for war, not for fetch. In the shadows of peaceful homes and quiet fields, hide monsters wearing collars. They don't wag, they watch, calculate, and wait. With jaws that crush bones, eyes that lock in like predators. These aren't pets, they are walking weapons. And when they snap, it's already too late. These dogs have made the news for tearing through fences, overpowering grown men, and leaving chaos behind. Some have gone from family companion to courtroom testimony in a single bite. What makes a dog dangerous? Is it size, breed, or something darker, something in their bloodline? Today, we're going deeper, not just into muscle or power, but into the instinct to destroy. You'll meet the silent killers, the unpredictable attackers, and the beasts whose bite force shatters bones. But here's the twist. The most feared dog in the world isn't who you think it is. Stick around, because by the end of this countdown, you'll never look at man's best friend the same way again. Let the nightmare begin.
They may look loyal, fierce, or even majestic, but some dogs were born to dominate. From fearsome guardians to unpredictable beasts, these dogs have made headlines around the world for their power, aggression, and primal instincts. This is not your usual pet list. These are the top 10 most dangerous dogs in the world. We'll count down from number 10, but there's a twist. You'll want to stick around for the final two, because some of the world's most powerful, terrifying dogs are coming up next. Can you guess who takes the top spots? Who will be number one, and who will barely miss the crown? So sit tight and prepare for a jaw-dropping ride through some of the fiercest dogs on the planet. Let's get started, if you dare. Boerboel, the South African Boerboel, the farm guardian of Africa. Bred to protect homes from predators like leopards, this dog's strength is legendary. Intelligent, confident, and alert. But with one goal, neutralize threats. And it does it fast. Presa Canario, straight from the Canary Islands. The Presa Canario is a muscular beast bred for guarding livestock. With intense focus and unstoppable power, it's been involved in some of the most violent dog attacks in history. When it locks on, it doesn't let go. Alaskan Malamute, majestic, but deadly. The Alaskan Malamute looks like a snow king, but behaves like a wolf. Built for endurance and strength, it's been known to snap under isolation or poor leadership. A beautiful beast, but not for the faint-hearted. Seven. Tosa Inu, the Tosa Inu, Japan's fighting dog. Bred exclusively for combat, this dog doesn't bark, it observes. Calm, calculated, and unshakably dominant. In the ring, it's respected. In the wrong hands, it's catastrophic. Six. Caucasian Shepherd, a bear disguised as a dog. The Caucasian Shepherd is one of the largest and most dominant breeds alive. Originating from the mountains of Eastern Europe, it was bred to fight wolves and guard entire flocks. Standing up to 30 inches tall and over 170 pounds, this isn't a pet, it's a protector, with bite. 5. Dogo Argentino. White-coated and silent, the Dogo Argentino was bred to hunt big game like wild boar and puma. Its athletic build is all muscle, and its pain tolerance is off the charts. Calm with family, yes, but when the predator's switch flips, it becomes unstoppable. Number 4. American Bulldog. Don't be fooled by the compact frame. The American Bulldog is a brute. With a bite force that rivals lions, this dog can take down prey twice its size. Fiercely territorial and dominant, it requires strong training, or it will take charge itself. German Shepherd, smart, loyal, and dangerously tactical. The German Shepherd is a protector by nature. Trained for police and military use, its precision and strength make it one of the most efficient attack dogs in the world. But what makes it dangerous is not just power. It's intelligence paired with speed. Now, let's pause for a second. The next two spots, number 2 and number 1. These dogs are in a league of their own. Their ferocity, raw power, and unstoppable drive have earned them the title of being some of the most feared animals on the planet. But who will take the crown? We've already seen some truly savage contenders, but the final 2 are in a class of their own. So, make your guess now. Who's your pick for number 1? Two, Rottweiler. Massive, muscular, and fearless, the Rottweiler is built like a tank. This dog doesn't just bark, it barrels through with sheer force. Historically used to guard and drive cattle, the Rottweiler's aggression can spark with the slightest threat. One wrong move, and you're in serious trouble. Number 1, Pitbull the Pitbull. Known as both hero and villain in the dog world. Originally bred for bull baiting, this dog packs explosive power in every muscle. It's fast, focused, and when provoked, merciless. Despite its loyal nature to owners, the Pitbull's bite has been ranked among the deadliest. Mistrained or mistreated, this dog becomes a ticking time bomb. These dogs are not monsters, but they are powerful, territorial, and sometimes dangerous. Proper training, love, and discipline are key. But in the wild or the wrong hands, these dogs become legends of fear. Which breed surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more savage showdowns from the animal kingdom.